Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, Builders has got a large selection of bathroom accessories in store right now for you to choose from. So if you're looking for the finishing touches to add to your bathroom, then Builders is the place to go and get it. Let me show you. There's nothing better than a long soak in a bathtub or shower at the end of a busy day. And Builders has everything you need from soap dishes to laundry baskets to help turn your bathroom into a stylish and relaxing retreat. When it comes to bathroom accessories, Builders has something for every size budget. From basic self-adhesive hooks to high-end toothbrush holders and laundry baskets, Builders can help you transform your bathroom. Whether you're going for a clean and sophisticated or homier feel or just something practical to get the job done, Builders has the accessories you need to complete the look. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to add a statement piece like a beautiful design mirror to your bathroom. And if you want to add a bit of color, why not do it with a bright new laundry basket or accent piece from Builders' wide selection of freestanding bathroom accessories. Well, as you can see, Builders stocks all the accessories you need to transform your bathroom. And don't forget, you can also use their online store to get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep. Simply visit their website, which is www.builders.co.za, or pop in to your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.